My hearty welcome to the students of class 2 CBSE. Welcome to English session. Children, you know that we are doing this chapter 2, right? And the name of the chapter is Saving Water, Child's Play, right? So, yesterday we saw a lot of things: sources of water, how do we get water. Then we discussed what are the things like lakes, ponds, etc. Right? Now, here, if you see, open page 10. Page 10, open page 10. We are done with page 9. Now, in page 10, if you see, this is MOM, mom. AMIT, Amit. So, we know the characters, right? Brothers are there, then mom is there. There is a problem of water. One mistake has been done by one of the brother, so you know that. Let us continue. Now here it is written, this is what happens when we misuse water. This is what happens when we misuse water. Misuse water, that is wrong usage of water, means keeping the tap on, keeping the shower on, as it has happened in the chapter. The water is not there for others. So, here that's why it is written, mom says, this is what happens when we misuse water. We need to save water so that everyone can use it. What she says? That we should save water. Save, SAVE, save. Save means safety. Safety of water is must. How to save water? Use limited water. This is what mom says here. We need to save water. That means don't waste. So, save water. Why? So that everyone can use it. Now here Amit. Amit asks a question. He asks his mother, how do we save water, mom? How do we save water, mom? When there is a question mark, you should have that tone also. How do we save water, mom? In this way also you can ask. Because it's a question. It's a question mark. How do we save water, mom? Then. Now here, mom says three important things. First thing, take a quick shower. Don't let it run longer than needed. Now, don't let it means, yes, the tap which is on, the shower which is on. So, take a quick shower. Take a quick shower means bath. Quickly we should take bath, because when you stand under the shower, there is a wastage of water actually. So, the required water should be used. Take a quick shower. Take a quick shower. Don't let it run. Here it means shower. Don't let the shower run longer than needed. In this sentence, shower means take bath. And here again it is shower. This is that shower under which we stand and take bath. Alright? So this is take a quick shower. Don't let it run longer than needed. First important thing. Second thing she says, to wash the floor. To wash the floor or a car, use bucket and not the hose. Now what is this hose? This is hose pipe. We say na hose pipe. This is hose, right? So generally we connect this with the tap and then we use it. In garden also we use for watering plants, for filling coolers, isn't it? So here the problem is when we use this, we forget and we keep the tap on. And in this way, water gets wasted. So mother says to wash the floor or a car because continuously water comes out of the hose. So it is a wastage of water. So you can use bucket instead of this. So water will not be wasted. How? Because inside the bucket, the water that you collect will be the limited amount of water. So once you fill the bucket, that water will remain inside the bucket. Water is not going to overflow. So that is the sense here. So mom says to wash the floor or a car, use bucket and not the hose, right? Third one, when you brush your teeth, turn off the tap until you need to rinse. What is rinse? This is rinsing. We wash, no, when we brush our teeth, then we rinse our mouth, we wash our face. So when we are brushing, at that time we need not to keep the tap on. At that time, let the tap be off. Yes, so turn off the tap until you need to rinse. When it's done, then you on the tap, so that much water will be saved. Yes. Now here there is an assignment for you. This is not there in your textbook. This is from the chapter. Between the lines I have taken. So you have to read the chapter, right? Up to page 11. Yes, 10 and 11. Now these questions are like this. Fill in the blanks. Can you see the blanks over here? Yes. Amit and Puneet are dash. No, you have to find it from the chapter. You know who are these two boys. Amit and Puneet are dash. Then second one. Mom said we need to save what? That you find out. What mom said? Mom said we need to save dash. Don't let dash run longer than needed. What should not run longer? Find out. Dash water so that everyone can use it. What water? What should we do with water so that everyone can use it? Find out. Fifth one, use dash for washing car or floor. What should we use? Bucket or hose or what? That you have to find out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sentences are there. Write in notebook. Yes, this is your work for today's session. So here we learnt about all these points. What mom said, there is a problem, there is a scarcity of water, there is no water because of one boy's mistake. Then mom teaches her children these 3 points, right? On the basis of the learnt portion, I have given you 5 questions that you have to do it in your notebook. Yes, in beautiful handwriting. Now, this is spoken English part. This you have to speak. No need to write again. Speaking is required. Now, this is sentence for the day. This sentence is for you. Whole day you have to use this sentence. Let's see what is this sentence. Wood you like? Would you like? Would you like? Repeat after me. Would you like to? Would you like to have? Would you like to have what? Tea? Would you like to have tea? Would you like to have coffee? Would you like to have milk? Would you like to have juice? So, this is the question that you can ask when somebody visits you. Your teacher comes all of a sudden. When the teacher comes, you can ask, Ma'am, would you like to have tea? Sir, would you like to have coffee? Sir, would you like to have juice? So, this is the sentence for the day. All right, you have to practice this sentence. Keep on speaking. Keep on speaking. Practice it, practice it, practice it. So, would you like to have? Then you can ask, would you like to have food? Correct. Would you like to have breakfast? Would you like to have lunch? Would you like to have dinner? Amazing, right? So, this is the sentence for the day. So, learn it, practice it, use with your mama, use with your daddy, use with your friends, use on phones just for a practice. All right. So, this is your task for speaking. For writing, you have questions, fill in the blanks is there. So that's all for today's session. Hope you enjoyed the session. Do the work well. Enjoy. Take care. Bye bye.